Here is another tip on a 4L60 or 4L65, I believe a 4L72 transmission. And this is with the 3/4 clutches. Okay, I want you to look at this clutch very good. Some people like to reuse the clutches if they're good, and it's fine to do that if they have a lot of friction material on it. Okay, so if you look at this clutch here, you'll see that it has a lot of friction material on it, and some people will reuse these clutches. I've seen them to do it, okay, because the friction material is good. It's not like this one, as you can see that it's down to the steel. See. However, if you did pay attention when I brought it up, there's something you must pay attention to, and that is these teeth here. These teeth wear out, and some people, they don't notice the teeth or don't pay attention to the teeth because they've just trained themselves to look at just this area that's not worn out. But if you get the teeth that's like this, that's no good. Okay, that is no good. When the clutches are applied, they won't hold, and what they have to hold on to is this part here. Okay, these you can see these teeth on here, okay, compared to the teeth right here. See these versus this. Okay, now these teeth fit on here, so when these clutches hold, it's going to stop this from turning. Okay, but if you put these in, one is going to be loose. Okay, it's going to be, let me see how loose that is, and two, eventually they're going to be gone, and then it still won't hold this part from turning, and even though they're applied, this will be turning in the middle of it. It'll be turning around in the middle. So you have to watch that. I've known people who miss that. They only paid attention to this area and didn't pay attention to this. Okay, they may even looked at this, and so this is even more misleading because you do have some teeth on there, but it's worn. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to the teeth as well as the friction material when dealing. These are the 3/4 clutches here. Okay, the 3/4 clutches.